Good morning, students. Today we are revise the studying effect of different solution on plants and animal cell. There are three main conditions may arise depending upon the toxicity of solution. First solution is hypotonic solution. Hypertonic solution, that is dilute solution. Dilute solution means thin solution that has more water molecules present as compared to the cell solution. When we placed an animal cell in the hypertonic solution, the movement of water molecule from solution to cell. Why? Because outside the cell solution is dilute. Dilute means thin solution, and inside the cell solution is concentrated solution, means pure solution, thick solution. Then the movement is always from dilute to concentrated. Then water molecule move from outside to inside. The process is known as end osmosis. Okay, when movement of water molecule from outside to inside, the process is known as end osmosis. As a result, cell swell up. Okay, when we place the animal cell in the hypertonic solution, the result will cell swell up. If processes continue, the cell may be burst. Okay, the solution is known as hypertonic solution. Second case is hypertonic solution. Okay, hypertonic solution. In hypertonic solution, in case of hypertonic solution, less water molecules that present in the solution as compared to the cell. That means the solution is concentrated. Concentrated means pure, thick solution. And inside the cell, the solution is dilute. Dilute solution means more water molecules are present. That means the movement of water from inside to outside. The process is known as exosmosis. When the movement of water molecule from inside to outside, the process is known as exosmosis. The result will be the cell is shrink. Okay, when we place the animal cell in hypertonic solution, the cell is shrink. Why? Because all water molecule that moves outside from inside. Okay, the result cell is shrink. Now third case, isotonic solution. In case of isotonic solution, the outside and inside the cell the same concentration. Okay, the concentration of the solution is same. The water molecule that present inside the cell solution and outside the cell solution is same. That means there is no movement. Okay, no net movement of water molecule. That means movement of water molecule is 0. Then the size of cell is remain same. No changes in the shape of the cell. Okay, now question is arise, how to question asking in the exam, what will be happen when we have to put the animal cell in hypertonic solution, and in isotonic solution. In first case, hypertonic solution, the cell is swell up, and in hypertonic cell shrink, and in isotonic no change. Okay, no changes. The size of the cell is remain same. Now second question is arise, why the cell size swell up when we put the animal cell in hypotonic solution? Because inside the cell the solution is concentrated and outside the cell the solution is dilute. That means the movement from outside to inside the cell is swell up. Same as case in hypertonic solution, why cell is shrink? Because inside the cell the concentrated solution is present. Okay, as comparison to the outside, means outside less water molecules are present as comparison to inside. Always movement of water molecule from the higher to lower, the cell is shrink. And in case of isotonic, no change. Okay, because movement of water molecule is 0. There is no changes of the size of the cell. Thank you, student.